Hello, kindergarten. All right, today we're going to be working on our windsock. And so last week we painted our windsock, and now this week we're going to put it all together. Okay, so I hope to have yours stapled by the time you get here. I did staple mine already. If it's not stapled, I'll work on it during class and get yours stapled together. Then we're gonna do two things, okay? So we need to put a handle on it so that we can hang it. And I have these black strips of paper. What you'll do is go get a glue bottle. We'll twist it open. If there's hard glue on the top, remember, pick it off. So twist it all the way open, and you're gonna do dot, dot, not a lot on this end, and then do dot, dot, not a lot on the other end. Then you're gonna bring it over to your windsock, and you're gonna put it on one side and then go across and put it on the other. Now this job right here, you have to start holding it and counting. So I'm gonna count to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. There, it should hold, but don't pick it up yet by this handle because it probably needs about an hour to dry. So just let it sit there and let the glue set, okay? So now I have that part done. The next part is the tissue paper. So these are going to be the streamers that are coming from your windsock to tell which direction the wind is blowing. I have all different colors of tissue paper. Tissue paper is like the stuff that you guys find inside of presents. So if you're opening a present and you have all that paper on there, this is what it is. So I have different colors. So as I'm talking right now, think about your favorite color. And then when you come up to get your paper, ask me for your color. Have it in your brain ready. So I'm gonna use yellow. Okay, so I have my yellow paper. Let me move the other colors aside here. And then you're going to need scissors, okay? And you're gonna be cutting strips of paper to make the windsock, the tails. So I'm just gonna grab my scissors and hold the tissue paper and cut nice and slow because tissue paper is very thin. And you're just gonna cut all the way across until you have a strip of paper. I'm gonna cut all of mine first before I glue them. And then I'm gonna glue at the end. So I'm just gonna do a lot of cutting right now. Cutting my strips of paper all the way across. Taking my time. Okay. Making a nice little pile of them right there. And then I'll start to glue them. So I'm gonna cut this whole sheet of paper, but I don't wanna waste all of your work time. I wanna give you guys a lot of work time today. So let me stop there for now. Let me move it aside, and I'm just gonna show you how to do this. When you have all of your paper cut up, then keep that glue bottle at your table because you're gonna need it twice today. I'm just gonna pick up one piece at a time, put a dot of glue on it. You don't need a lot of glue. This paper is so light. Then tap it into the inside. Did you guys see that? I put it right in the inside of my windsock. Okay, then I'm gonna get another piece, dot, dot, not a lot. And then I'm gonna put it right next to it. And I'm gonna keep going all the way around and rotating this and putting on all of my tissue paper. So now I've got 3. And push it down so that it actually stays, okay? You don't really have to hold and count with the tissue paper because the tissue paper is so thin that it is going to stick, okay? So now I've got that. And now just to kind of show you what it's starting to look like, look at how pretty that is. Think about when it's blowing in the wind when I hang this up by the little handle. Okay? All right, you guys, you don't have to put this on the drying rack today because you're actually gonna take it home. You're just gonna have to be really careful when you take it home because some of this glue might still be wet. So when you go home, I would probably hold it by the paper like I am, and maybe not by the handle quite yet. Give it a little more time to dry. And don't tug on these, okay? Because they will need some more time to dry too. All right, I can't wait to see your beautiful Windsocks today, kindergarten. Have fun.